Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make carbonara gohan. It's Meal for One series, and today's dish is rice ball that tastes like carbonara. Very easy and budget friendly, so it's perfect for students. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this carbonara gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 1 portion rice pack, bacon, egg, grated Parmesan cheese, and black pepper, all as much as you like. Heat up a little bit of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat. And let's cook the bacon. Looks good. So let's take it out. Clean up the frying pan. Little bit of vegetable oil. And fried egg. Try not to overcook it. You want to keep the egg yolk runny. The edge of the egg is crispy, but the egg yolk is still runny. So let's turn the heat off. Now, let's heat up the rice using microwave. I did 1 minute at 800 watts. Make sure the rice is steaming hot, otherwise it won't regain the softness and stickiness. Let's put it in the bowl here. Fluff it. Bacon. Fried egg, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, and carbonara gohan is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The bacon, the egg, and the Parmesan cheese. They really create the carbonara-like flavor and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Carbonara gohan here and instant miso soup here. Vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce here. And let's forget about the other two. I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!